sure most of you might have heard about this website called Entire Web. Now, there are several videos on YouTube that shows that you could make money online by using this platform called Entire Web. So this is basically a web search engine. And let me tell you guys, you're not going to get rich by using this method, and you're not going to get rich by using any particular method or any sort of search engine, right? Because that's how Google works. Now, Google gives you the best, and it brings up the latest and the top news and the top searches, and the ranking system is different, and everything is totally, the metrics are different, and there's a lot of things behind, right? So Google is one of the most important search engine tools that the entire world uses, and these websites here, like Entire Web, that promises where you could earn money online, is not going to help you at all. So let us bust this myth and look at the truth about this particular website in this video. So you come back to Entire Web and you click on affiliate, and it gives you uh, a solution where it says that you earn up to 20 cents for every click, and you get paid for every visitor you refer to our free search engine submission service. Well, that sounded bad, right? So that's all Entire Web tells you, that you get 20 cents per visitor, and you have a high conversion rate, and anyone can join, and it's pretty easy to start, right? So what they tell you in all these other websites and what they show you here is the amount of money that you can actually make. Now, all this looks so promising, and you just click, you get carried away by thinking that you click on the link and you get 20 cents, but that is really not the truth. All right, to be very honest, this is not going to work. So once again, use Google as your best friend to do your research before you go into all this stuff. So go into Google and you just click Entire Web reviews, and you would actually get a proper understanding of what this is. So here it is. This is a fake site, a big scam site. So it doesn't pay and not even replies to the customer care if we send a query, right? So you got it. So they just want to increase their website traffic, and they don't want to pay you. All right, there you go. You've got it. Check out the reviews here. It's just one star, and it's terrible. And who would want to use something like this, as a search engine when you have Google, and it's going to bring up different stuff, right? So there's so many different opinions about it, but to be honest, the truth is that you're not going to get rich, and you can't really get a lot of money. If that is the case, I would click multiple links and earn $1, but if I click 5 times, I would get around $1, right? If it's 20 cents per click, I would sit the entire day and click for 8 to 10 hours, then I should earn hundreds of dollars a day, which is totally impossible. Once again, don't be fooled, guys. I hope this video was really helpful, and don't try to use any search engines to earn money. It doesn't really work. I hope all of you are staying safe, and I would see you all again in the next video.